Okay, hey guys, welcome to my two-step acne cover-up slash natural makeup tutorial. I'm not even gonna pretend and make it seem like this is intentional, like how simple it is. The truth is I know nothing about makeup. So I kind of just smear everything on my face and hope it works out. But this is just gonna be two steps for an extremely natural look. Now I know some people have cystic acne. I thankfully do not. So this doesn't apply to persons who have like the cystic type of acne. It's just like for people with like fine bumps and acne scars that are fairly easy to cover up. So the first thing I do is moisturize. Now I don't have any CeraVe moisturizer at the moment, so I'm just gonna use regular Jergens lotion. It says it's a moisturizer, so it should work the same. So I am gonna pump some out and yeah, rub this onto my face. Okay, now that we are done moisturizing, I am going to take my Maybelline Fit Me in shade 330, which is Toffee Caramel, and I am going to put this onto a little sponge thingy, not a beauty blender, just a regular like flat sponge. This does not have a squeeze applicator, so yeah, shame on you, Maybelline. So I am just going to put this on the corner of my face. I think there's a bit too much. Yeah. And then I just blend it in. So now I actually am using my mirror as like a makeshift tripod, so I don't have a mirror to look into, so I am gonna blend it evenly off camera and come right back. But you guys get the gist. Like, just don't like rub, but just like pat it into your face. Okay, so I am back, guys, with the finished blended result. Obviously it still looks like a lot like natural skin, but if you guys notice, the acne scars and fine acne is less prominent. I probably could have gotten a lot more cleaner look if I used concealer. However, yeah, I feel like foundation is fine and it looks extremely natural. It literally like looks like your actual skin. So I could do like my signature bold Korean style red lip. However, I did say this was natural, so I am just gonna use simple, extremely old lip gloss and call it a day. Okay guys, so this is the face all done, and I did put my hair back for the purpose of doing my makeup. This isn't my actual like hairstyle, so I'm just gonna do something a little bit different, nothing too fancy, and then come back and show you the final makeup result. Okay, I'm back guys. As I said, hair really simple,